Westminster police received a call regarding a commercial burglary of a business in the city of Westminster. The concerned citizen told WPD that a male subject, identified as 30-year-old Kang Chi, was armed with a metal pipe and causing a disturbance. Officer Doan was dispatched to the reported burglary. Here's what happened.
Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Stop. Sit down. 420.
Officer Doan was aggressive towards Chi and ordered him to sit down, but it seems like he's not complying with his commands.
On the Moran, just south of Bolsa, the alley just south of walking westbound. Stop, dude. Stop. We're approaching 9200, still on call. Dude, stop. I'm telling you to sit down. Yeah, we're approaching Saigon and Bolsa now.
She continued to walk around in hopes that the officer would leave him alone. Or maybe he's finding the perfect spot to escape.
You don't have to want to talk to me. I'm telling you, sit down. Drop the pipe and sit down. Drop the pipe and sit down.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
We're at Bolsa and Saigon.
Even though Officer Doan had his gun drawn, this didn't stop Chi from ignoring him.
Stop. Walking up on Bolsa now. Should be coming out. Stop, stop, stop.
However, other officers arrived at the scene and countered Chi from every angle.
Stop, dude. Drop the fucking pipe. Drop the pipe. Get your taser out. Get your taser out. Stop. Stop. Stop, dude. Continuing walking south sidewalk, Bolsa, west.
Hey, stop. Có xuống. Có xuống. Có xuống. Có cây xuống. Do you understand English? I don't want to talk to you, man.
Stop, dude.
I want to talk to you.
Drop the pipe.
Sit down.
And he's armed with the pipe, refusing to put it down.
I don't
Stop.
I don't know this.
Dude, stop.
Despite being followed by Officer Doan and his comrades, she continued to walk on and ignore them.
Dude, stop. Come on, bro. Just stop. Stop, dude. Next unit coming in, bring the less lethal. Dude, stop.
Stop walking. Stop walking.
Okay, put it down.
Sit down. Sit down.
All right, heads up, guys. We're walking northbound across Bolsa.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
Stop. Put down the pipe. Dude, put down the pipe. Dude, stop.
What the fuck?
Stop, dude.
Cái này mới của tao.
Put down the pipe.
The officers continue to walk Chi down, asking him multiple times to put the pipe down.
Cafe Bank.
Stop walking. Stop. Pipe down.
Cafe Bank. Stop, dude. Dude, put down the pipe. Put down the pipe. Hey, go away. Go away. Get out of here. Get out of here. Stop. Get out of here. Go away. Stop, dude.
Hey,
Continuing westbound on the north side.
put it down. Anh nói chuyện thôi rồi bỏ xuống đi.
She was saying something using his mother language. The officers had no idea what he was saying.
Hey, if you got a shot on the taser, get it.
Fucking thing, man.
Stop, dude. Take it.
Until this happened.
Stop. 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 10-3-998. Stop.
Shots were fired after Chi attempted to hit the officers.
Hey, get on your belly.
Are you guys good?
Get on your belly.
No.
Get on your belly. Roll. Roll. Roll.
Units are code 4.
Surprisingly, Chi survived the shots. Seems like his endurance is pretty well.
Roll.
All right, you guys good? Everybody good? We're right here.
I got it.
We're right here. Hey, somebody, can one of you guys go secure my unit, dude? It's off Moran.
The other officers arrived at the scene while Chi was put into handcuffs.
I need a unit to secure my vehicle. It's Moran, south of Bolsa. Yeah, I gotta.
29, vehicle.
Give me. Yeah, I got you.
Shit.
Where'd you shot at?
Oh, no.
This is how it happened from Officer Dam's body cam.
Hey, stop. Ngồi xuống. Bỏ xuống. Bỏ cây xuống. Do you understand English?
I don't want to talk to you, man.
Stop, dude.
I want to talk to
Drop
you.
the pipe.
Sit down.
I don't steal. I don't nothing.
Dude, stop.
We can see that Officer Dam had a laser sight on his gun and kept pointing it at Chi.
Dude, stop. Come on, bro. Just stop. Stop, dude.
His laser sight was consistent towards Chi. He appears ready if Chi tries to attack them.
Sit down.
Hey,
Sit down.
sit down.
Get
the fuck out of here, man.
Stop.
Tao đừng có con dạ tao á.
Dude, put down the pipe. Dude, stop.
Good thing there's not much traffic around this hour. This could have ended differently if there was.
Lụm cái mụn rác mà.
Put down the
Đưa ra
pipe.
tao mụn rác đủ mà. Đưa ra mụn rác đủ mà.
Stop walking.
Officer Dam ordered Chi to stop walking but was completely ignored.
Ra tiền biển.
Stop, dude.
Ở đâu đụng.
Dude, put down the pipe.
Tao không làm gì chăng à.
Put down the pipe.
Other officers arrived at the scene, but Chi didn't care.
Stop. Get out of here. Go away.
Where is it?
Stop, dude.
Tao không làm gì chăng à.
Hey, bỏ xuống. Put it down.
Tao làm gì đâu.
Put it down. Hey, nói chuyện thôi mà bỏ xuống đi.
Down, dude. Stop.
Phiền tao quá hả?
Hey, if you got
Bring
a
the
gun,
wire.
listen, get it.
Fucking
Have a
pain,
shot.
man.
Stop, dude.
I have a shot.
Take it. Stop. Stop. Stop.
As Officer Doan fired the shots, Officer Dam followed suit, which put Chi to the ground.
You guys good? You guys
Yeah,
good?
star 91.
Hey, get on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Roll. 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 Roll.
I got it.
All right, you guys good?
Yeah.
Everybody good?
Officer Dam put Chi into handcuffs while the other officers helped him.
I got it.
We're right here.
Nothing.
Somebody, you guys go secure my unit, dude? It's off Moran.
Okay.
Trying to get up.
420 Burglar traffic.
I need a unit. To secure my vehicle. Hey, I gotta come.
29, secure the vehicle.
Give me a glove.
Where'd you shot at?
Hopefully this will teach Chi a lesson next time, not to carry that dangerous metal pipe around. This could have ended a lot worse.